Breaking news coming in, the Madras High Court has given its permission to the BJP for organizing and having a Tiranga bike rally. Now, the court has directed the Tamil Nadu DGP not to prohibit any rally either by walking, cycling, biking, or even if someone chooses to be in a car while carrying the national flag on Independence Day. The Madras High Court saying that it doesn't find any valid reason for denying permission for organizing a bike rally carrying the national flag. So peaceful rallies shouldn't be denied permission, says the Madras High Court. A very important directive coming into the DGP as well. Purnima joins us now for the latest on this. Purnima, tell us a little bit more about the Madras High Court emphasizing on having these rallies, and what really were the objections that were raised by the state government against having these rallies?
Well, in fact, the Madras High Court was hearing the case. The judge said as to why permission should not be given when the date, the time and the route map for the rallies have been clear. However, while the state government had argued, they said that if people are ready to walk with the national flag, then there's no objection. But because they'll be carrying the national flag on motorcycles, that's in fact prohibited. They said that, of course, people can celebrate in their respective homes. Why actually go on a rally? Indian flags cannot be carried on motorcycles. That's against the law. That was one of the reasons cited by the state government's representatives while they were arguing in court. The judge, in fact, said that the rally can happen and that the police should not stop those who are carrying the national flag either on motorbikes, cycles, cars. They should be allowed to go ahead with the rally, and the rally should not be stopped at any given point in time tomorrow. That's the word coming in from the Madras High Court. After the arguments continued for over an hour, the Madras High Court has decided to give permission for the rally.
All right. So the Madras High Court giving permission to organize these rallies. In fact, they say that they don't find any problem in having peaceful rallies. Narayan Tirupati is also joining us on the broadcast. Sir, your reactions to this big news coming in, even the court saying that permission shouldn't be denied to peaceful rallies and to anyone who wants to be on the road to celebrate Independence Day and also to hoist the flag, to enjoy this moment for themselves in a peaceful manner.
Yes, we welcome the judgment, but it has exposed the anti-national mood of the DMK. The Dravida model, as they claim, is anti-national, and that is what has been proved once again. The court very clearly says that you have to allow them, anyone carrying flags, either by walk or by bike or by car. So the day, the Independence Day, we should enjoy, and that is called independent country. And here the DMK is trying to, create problems for those who carry the national flag. So that is the intention of DMK. And once again, the court has exposed the DMK that it is an anti-national party.
But I think the important word here is that all of these rallies, whether it's a car rally, bike rally, should happen in a peaceful manner. And that's what the court is saying, that they don't find any problem and denying permission to having these peaceful rallies in celebrating Independence Day.
Yes, see, after all, what we are going to say, we are going to, to have the national flag in our hands and say that Bharat Mata Ki Jai. That is what we are going to say. So that Bharat Mata Ki Jai is not, welcome for DMK. That is the main thing. They don't want anyone
What objection do they have? What objection does the DMK have about these rallies or celebrating Independence Day?
They don't like Bharat Mata. They don't like the independence. They don't, because the DMK were the ones who welcomed, the Justice Party welcomed the British to stay in India. So that is what the DMK is, and that is what Mr. Stalin also said, that DMK is an offshoot of Justice Party. That is what he said.
They say in their defense that they're denying permission because having these Tiranga rallies could perhaps lead to a law and order situation in that state.
How? Who will oppose the national flag? Anybody has got any right or guts to oppose national flag? If that is so, only the DMK will oppose, because they are in rule. So law and order problem will be created by DMK only. So ask DMK people to stay indoors for a day. Nothing will happen.
All right, so just stay on with me. In fact, very interestingly, while you were speaking, I also am joined by Dharan from the DMK. Mr. Dharan, thank you so much for speaking to us. Madras High Court saying that permission to peaceful rallies shouldn't be denied. The BJP is seeing this as a huge victory. They're saying that the DMK is the one who are raising all these objections unnecessarily because you are against Bharat Mata Ki Jai, slogans like these. You are against people holding Tiranga on Independence Day. How do you respond?
See, this is nothing to do with this is a stance taken by the police. Because there is precedent how the RSS and the BJP cadres have behaved in the past, not just in Tamil Nadu, but also in other states to maintain peace. This has nothing to do with Independence Day or showing respect to the flag. Of course, we have absolute respect for the
How
for
have
the flag.
they behaved, sir? Have there been incidents of hooliganism? Have they indulged in violence in the state?
Of course, in the past, I'm not pinpointing to this incident or for tomorrow's rally, but there have been precedents not just in Tamil Nadu but also in other states where RSS has involved itself in vandalism and hooliganism in the past. And I think police has taken, by looking into the merits of the case, police have decided now that the court has found otherwise, then what court wants will happen.
So let me ask Mr. Tirupati. Mr. Tirupati, how do you respond to that charge?
DMK into it.
No. What I'm asking is at least to ask him to quote one instance where there was a law and order problem by the people who were carrying national flags. That is what we are asking. Just like that, these people are saying that a law and order problem. How law and order problem will come? When people are carrying the national flag and say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, hail their country, how law and order
Mr.
problem will
Dharan,
come?
a quick response to that.
First of all, another interesting question is how many times has the RSS been ready to hoist the national flag? Only 2 incidents.
I will tell him. I will definitely tell him.
Right, only 2 incidents in the past 6 years.
All right.
Dharan, until 2001, there was a complete, the government order was that no private organizations or private individuals hoist the national flag. We have to understand this.
All right.
Only in the government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, BJP government, it was released, and from then on, all RSS officers are hoisting national flag.
All
Please
right.
understand.
Okay, Mr. Tirupati and Mr. Dharan, thank you both for joining us. So that's the big one coming in from the High Court, giving permission to, all the people who want to celebrate the Independence Day by organizing those Tiranga rallies in the state of Tamil Nadu. With that, it's time for me to take a short break. News and updates continue on the other side.